Hi, very good afternoon. Welcome to Agently. Today we are in Tanisandra, very close to Manyata Tech Park and very close to Reliance Supermarket in between Shobha Chrysanthemum and Monarch Apartment. Just 200 meters from Tanisandra Main Road and bus stop. Distance wise, it is just 800 meters from Manyata back gate, that is gate number 5, and uh, it is something around 300 meters, 300 to 350 meters from suburban railway station of Tanisandra, and just opposite to Reliance Hypermart, that is supermarket. So here there is a rental income house for sale, that is ground floor, first floor, second floor and third floor. It is G plus 3, total 8 units you have. So building is 3040, constructed on 3040 north facing. So it starts from here 30 on north facing road and depth is 40. Advantage is opposite you don't have house, so total road width is something around 25 to 27 feet, but opposite you don't have any house, so that will be added advantage. So talking about the floor wise, ground floor you have parking, then setbacks is being left, one hall you have, then one bhk and one small washroom, and first floor you have 2 bhk 2 units, second floor 2 bhk 2 units, third floor 2 bhk 2 units. So total 6 2 bhk and one bhk and one hall. So facing wise, north facing doors you have and west facing doors, and every floor you have two bedrooms 2 units. So in washroom you have western and Indian washroom in each of the unit. So let's go inside and have a look. So this is parking area. So here you have 18 by 18 hall, 18 and 18 inside. So it is box type hall, just hall it is. And here you have one small washroom. So it can be utilized based on your requirement. So here you have borewell, some tank and borewell and some tank. And this side you have setback and for gas pipeline, total gas pipeline is being done. You can see gas cylinders here. So this is parking area. So this will be 8 by 8 18 by 18 hall, and here you have 1 bhk. So this will be second unit, that is hall 1 bhk. So let's go to first floor and have a look. So you have granite flooring. So we are on first floor. Here you have north facing 2 bhk and here you have west facing 2 bhk. So similar same setup will be there. I'll show you one floor of this setup, then other rest 2 floors it is same, so I'll not be showing that. So this is west facing 2 bhk. This will be third unit. So there is living area. You have bedroom with attached washroom and attached balcony. Even this bedroom is attached bathroom and balcony. And here you have kitchen. So this is kitchen. And this is a hall, living area that is. So you will have all the fittings, that is tube lights, lights, and fan, everything will be there as it is. So this is one bedroom with attached washroom and balcony. So here you have washroom. So here you have Indian water closet. Then in another bedroom you have Western water closet. So this is balcony facing Tar Road, that is front road. So as I told you, opposite you don't have houses, so you'll get parking. You have wardrobe here. So this is one bedroom of first floor, third unit. This is another bedroom with attached washroom. In this you have Western water closet. You can see. So all the floors is having, all the washrooms is having geysers. Only in this it is not there. In other all you have geysers, and all the fittings is there. This is balcony. So talking about this locality, you have total houses filled. There is just one or two house left, and it is just walkable from bus stop. Then basic amenities, Manyata Tech Park. So all the requirement is very close by. And upcoming advantages are PRR. You have Peripheral Ring Road is coming up in 2.5 kilometers distance. So this is fourth unit, first floor, second unit. So 2 BHK, this is model 2. So this is little bit spacious than that. This will be living area. And on the right you have one bedroom with attached washroom, and there you have another bedroom with attached washroom, and this is the kitchen. Here you have kitchen. And this is one bedroom. So good ventilation they have given. Even here you have window, and right behind the door you have washroom. So this is having Western water closet, and other washroom is Indian water closet. You can see geyser here. So same in all the floors it is there. And one wardrobe. So this is another bedroom. Here you have washroom of it. Here you have Indian water closet. So same setup in all the floors. Similar to this you have another 2 units, and similar to other unit you have another 2. So total 3 this type, and another 3 that other room type. So only this 2 is been left, and other all the houses are being filled. So we are exactly on first floor now. This is west facing, and this is north facing. So north facing, total first floor 1, second floor 1, third floor 1, then west facing, first floor 1, second floor 1, and third floor 1. 6 units of 2 BHK. Then ground floor you have 2. So let's go above and have a look. So 5, 6. Seven, 8. So this is third floor. Second, third. Now here you have terrace. So there's the terrace. You have each floor one tank. That is 1, 2, 3 floor. Ground, first, second, third. Then all round you have setback. Even this side you have setback. So good ventilation is there. You can see the road. So front you don't have any houses. So talking about the locality, you can see that apartment, that is the main road. You can see vehicles moving here. It is just 200 meters, that is the bus stop. Then this side if we go, first I'll show you this side. That is Shobha city. Then you have Bharati city. Then here you are getting another big project, that is Purvankara atmosphere. Purva atmosphere it is called, 13 acres project. You can see excavation is going on. That is going to be 13 acres of Purvankara's project, very huge, something around 39 floors or something. Then here you have Golden Palms. This is Shobha, Crescenthanum. That's right behind us you have Brigade Altamont and all. Then behind it you have Christy Jayanti College. So this is right Tanisandra main road. And this side if I show you Manyata, Nagwara metro station and all. So that building which you see, that is G Corp icon. You can see in Nagwara signal, G Corp icon. Then Elements Mall also is next to that. Sorry, here somewhere. Little bit on this main road only you have Elements Mall and all. So that is Manyata Tech Park. There you can see that buildings. So 800 meters you have back gate of Manyata. Then metro, this metro is just 2.5 kilometers from here, junction, Nagwara junction, and suburban railway station is coming up there. Near this tree which you see, in that road it is coming, suburban railway station. So talking about the building, it is north facing, 30-40. Total built up area is something around 4,800 square feet. That is ground, first, second, third. So in ground floor if you take, it is 1 BHK plus parking plus you have one hall and one washroom. Then first floor if you come, you have two BHKs. There is north facing and west facing, both is having attached washrooms, so it will be utilized for bachelors also, it can be utilized easily. Then in one unit you are getting 2 balconies, and washrooms you have one water closet as western and Indian. So first floor 2 units, total from ground floor 2 units, first floor 2 units, 4, then second floor 5, 6, then third floor 7, 8. So 6 2 BHKs and one 1 BHK, one hall. So for more details you can go through the description right below the video, and to get details on your WhatsApp you can send the code which will be in the description. Thank you.